Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. If your carpets look like this, you are definitely in need of this carpet miracle from Sunny and Honey. It totally transformed our carpet in our basement apartment. There are few things that are more satisfying than a really good carpet cleaning. And this carpet miracle from Sunny and Honey not only does a great job of leaving our carpets looking really clean, but they also smell amazing now. It's a light, fresh scent, not perfumey or overpowering, just clean and really pleasant. Can you believe that I got all of this out of the carpet that was just deep cleaned a few months ago? It's so disgusting and yet satisfying at the same time, knowing that this is no longer in our home. The bottle is a perfect size. It's really easy to pour one-handed, and the consistency is that of water. This is great to use with any water-based carpet cleaning machine or steam cleaner. This carpet miracle has totally brightened up our basement apartment by not only making our carpets look brighter, but also smell really fresh. So if you want your carpets to look and smell like ours, I highly recommend this carpet miracle from Sunny and Honey. And that's my point of view.